Hello guys, my name is MiryKimmy. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In case you are new here, feel welcome. If you are hi guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. My name is MiryKimmy. In case you are new here, subscribe to this YouTube channel. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you for always coming back to watch our videos. We don't take it for granted. We thank God for you and may He bless you abundantly. So, on today's video, I'm going to show you how I spend my day. Yeah, so feel welcome. Let's do this. What's your name? What's your name?
Gaga.
Her name is Auri.
Gaga.
Yes, her name is Auri Ongaga. So she has decided to come here. We do a video together.
Mommy.
Yes?
Eta Kamuto.
Yes, my name is Kemuto, in short Kimmy. Yeah, guys, this is my daughter, my small daughter. My elder one is seated here. Her elder sister. Older or elder. My older daughter is seated here. So today, I want us to do what we do usually in a day when they're not going to school. They have closed down and now they are outside. So they are on a long holiday, in short. So this holiday, we are in 1st of August, and the whole of this month they'll be outside. They will be on holiday. They will open school on September. Yeah, so for now, let me show you how we spend a day with them. This small one is disturbing a lot. I wish she could be taken away, but she's a mommy baby, so she should be here too. Okay, bye. So guys, see you in a few. Audrey, say hi.
Hi.
How are you doing today?
Hi.
So it's early morning and we are doing our morning routine. Go sit there. Go sit next to your sister. Yeah, say hi.
Hi.
What's your name?
Auri.
You are Auri?
Gaga.
Good. What's the name of your sister? Sister, what's your name?
Audrey.
She's Audrey and her sister is Auri. Yeah. I'm gonna spend a day with them today. So come with us.
Yeah.
Look at this one.
No.
Say hi here.
Hi. Good morning. What time are you watching this video? Huku kwetu ni morning. How are you?
Guys, this is how our kitchen looks like right now. It's messy. It's messy. It's early morning. It's early morning, so we have woken up. We want to do some cleaning here and there. You came to monitor me. Hey! Oh, Jesus. Yeah, so guys, we are ready to start our day. We want to take breakfast, then we do the utensils later, and we continue as the day goes by. So I want to serve breakfast.
Why you always in the mood? I'm acting brand new. I ain't tryna tell you what to do, but try to play it cool. Really, I ain't playing by your rules. Everything look better with a view. Why you always in the mood? So I'm acting brand new. I ain't tryna tell you what to do, but try to play it cool. Baby, I ain't playing by your rules. Everything look better with a view. Why you always in the mood? Yeah.
还好我终于见到你，跨过了时间，终于再次见到你。可以什么都不做，就只是抱着你，牵着我的手，把一起飞到月亮去。你一直都是人群中闪耀的女孩，是我有生之年见过最漂亮的女孩。一直在艰辛等待着你会来，在下个转角和你撞了满怀。天使，你是我的 queen， 你是我的月亮，你是我的命，像是被猎手让我起了反应，只想要发疯，别让我冷静。Let's go。
Guys, welcome back. We are doing some cleaning. Ndio tuone siku itaisha vipi.
In the still of the night, I think of you. My heart beats with every thought of you. You're the one I can't let go. In your arms I find my home. Love, sweet love, it's you I'm dreaming of. Every moment with you feels like a gift from above. Forever and always, you're the one I adore. In your love I find my forevermore. Find my forevermore, the more. Through every storm, you're my guiding light. In your eyes I see the stars align. With you I'm whole, with you I'm complete. In your love my heart finds its beat. Love, sweet love, it's you I'm dreaming of. Every moment with you feels like a gift from above. Forever and always, you're the one I adore. In your love I find my forevermore. In your arms I feel alive. With you I soar and thrive. A love story written in the skies. In your love my spirit flies. Love, sweet love, it's you I'm dreaming of. Every moment with you feels like a gift from above. Forever and always, you're the one.
Nadhani si tuwezi kuwa nazo. Wapi? Hapana. Here you go. Yes. We are done. We are done. We are done. So she will continue to clean outside. Who? You. Five you. Where I clean. Boom.
You're the one I adore. In your love my heart finds its beat. Love, it's you I'm dreaming of. Every moment with you feels like a gift from above.
a sunrise glow. Touch so soft, where the seasons flow. We met where the stars take their flight. Every moment with you feels just right. Whisper your name in the rush of the breeze. Love like an ocean rippling with ease. Heartbeats sink into this melody. You and I forever, wild and free. Hands collide like waves 그렇지만은 않아. 이별을 마주한다는 건 오늘이었던 우리의 어제 너는 내일이 없다는 건 아프긴 해도 더 끌었음 상처가 더 나니까 yeah. 널 사랑했고 사랑받았으니 난 이걸로 됐어 yeah. 나 살아가면서 가끔씩 떠오를 기억 그 안에 네가 있다면 그거면 충분해. 사랑을 했다 우리가 만나 지우지 못할 추억이 됐다. 볼만한 멜로드라마 괜찮은 결말 그거면 됐다. 널 사랑했다 우리가 만든 love scenario 이젠 조명이 꺼지고 마지막 페이지를 넘기면 조용히 막을 내리죠. 갈비뼈 사이사이가 찌릿찌릿한 느낌 나 사랑받고 있음을 알게 해주는 눈빛 너에게 참 많이 또 배웠다. 반쪽을 채웠다. 과거로 두기엔 너무 소중한 사람이었다. 나 살아가면서 가끔씩 떠오를 기억 그 안에 네가 있다면 그거면 충분해. 사랑을 했다 우리가 만나 지우지 못할 추억이 됐다. 볼만한 멜로드라마 괜찮은 결말 그거면 됐다. 널 사랑했다 네가 벌써 그립지만 그리워하지 않으려 해. 한편의 영화 따스했던 봄으로 너를 기억할게. 우리가 만든 love scenario 이젠 조명이 꺼지고
That's a tissue paper. No, don't start there. Hata kama nimeosha no. Let's go. Adios. Guys, we are done cleaning. Our house is sparkling clean. Very clean, very clean, very clean, very clean. Yes. It's very clean now. So we are done with cleaning. It's very cold outside. I could have taken my children outside to play, but the weather is not weathering. It's very cold, so I prefer them to stay indoors. They will go out maybe in the afternoon after the sun is out. Yes. We are back, guys. So this baby wants to go outside to play, but the weather is not good. So I'm trying to keep her inside, but she's like, Mommy, just give me my jacket. I wear and go out to play. And I'm trying to convince her that it's very, very cold. So she's here. She wants to say bye for now. Till next time. See you. Bye. Say bye-bye, Auri.
Bye.
See you next time.
Okay.
I love you.
I love you.
Don't forget to subscribe, comment and share. Tell us what you think about this video. Yeah. It's enough for today. Bye guys. See you next time.
Yes.